Hey everybody, Detailing by M here. I'm working on this '06 CRV, pretty beat up. So my buddy makes this from Rugged Restore, Trim Renew. He's an off-roader and deals with off-road stuff and all that good stuff. I'm in Oklahoma here, and normally I use Blackwell Pro for my trim restoration. No dyes, works wonderful on good cars. So here in Oklahoma, a lot of people don't take care of their cars. So this CRV has just seen some bad care. I don't know. And apparently they tried to do something over here. I think it's Trim New or that new trim crap, but it just looks terrible. So my customer just said, hey, can you do something for me? And I said, I got this product from Rugged Restore, and let's just try it out. So I applied this like an amateur. I basically just pressure washed this thing. Didn't really clean it. I just wanted to kind of just throw the product on there and see what it would do, because these bad bug etchings inside the plastic, and they're just nasty. I'm not going to spend all day scrubbing this car down. We just wanted to make it look better. So I just grabbed a little sponge applicator, threw some on there, and just rubbed it on 5 minutes ago. And in my opinion, I think it's awesome. For the price and the amount of labor I put into it, you can go from this to this, which looks fantastic. You come over here and the car looks much better on this side. So I can definitely recommend Rugged Restore Trim Renew for your really extremely beat up, terrible 4x4 abused plastic. And for your higher end cars and stuff that you just need to put some good stuff on, Blackwell Pro is my go-to for sure. But out here in Oklahoma, I think this will be my new restoration product to actually bring these things back to a decent state. Not saying that Blackwell Pro won't do this, but Blackwell Pro will, in my opinion, probably not last as long. Blackwell Pro doesn't have any dyes in it. Trim Renew definitely does, as you can see from the pad. So wear gloves when you use this stuff. So anyways, you guys have a good day.